everybody? Alright, good. So I'm not going to sit and take up too much time because our main head speaker has flown all the way over from Monaco to spend this evening with you. And what they've achieved in a fairly short pace of time is incredible. But can we all do the same thing?
Yeah.
Have we all got the same opportunity?
Yeah.
What's the difference between them and us?
Knowledge.
Knowledge, okay. They've done it. They got up, they set the goals, and they went out and done it. Okay? So every single person here has the opportunity to achieve whatever they want to achieve. But without further ado, can we get them a massive round of applause, please?
The government's repeatedly said, don't worry, we're going to fix the housing crisis. We're going to build 300,000 homes a year. Mrs Thatcher was certainly decisive with her impact on the housing programme. She sold off all the council houses in the 80s and 90s. The councils were not allowed to use that money to build more. So public sector housing has hit the floor, and private sector, stick a line through the last 20, 30 years, 150,000. So we are building 150,000 homes a year, but we need over 300. How could we demonstrate what's possible in a year if you're going to use all these different property strategies and you're going to become wealthy through property? And then I thought, well, why don't we introduce you to someone that's done it? Would you like to speak to someone that has become wealthy through property in the last 12 months? Yes or no?
Yes.
That was distinctly lukewarm. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's all right, dear. Would you care to come up here and join me, Beth? You joined up Wealth Capital.
Just over a year, 14 months.
14 months. I've been watching. Well, it's difficult not to watch Beth because you're fairly active on social media, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's some of your highlights, Beth? Because you've pretty much done everything.
Yeah, well, I mean, the biggest highlight for me was to actually come back from working as a delivery driver for Amazon, which is what I've done for a few years. And I was feeling quite disillusioned. And the biggest thing for me was to come back, put the kettle on, scroll through Facebook and see your face. And read about you and service accommodation. And I just thought, I'm going to have to go with this.
You're going to have a go?
I'm going to have a go. I've got nothing to lose, and spoke to Simon about it. And so I did. And then from there, I did the 2-day.
Yes, you did. Well through property.
I did. And then it was a no-brainer. I had to join.
Yeah.
I had to join. I'll never look back. It's changed my life. I'm so thankful that I've met you.
Can we get a
and
round of applause for
everybody.
that?
I'm not only thankful to Paul, I'm thankful to all the coaches, to everybody in the team at Touchstone, all the people that we don't even see them, we don't know their faces, we don't know who they are, but they are absolutely incredible. They're all part of this amazing machine, working so hard, and I'm so grateful to them too because of the constant support that I've had. My first experience as well with coming to networking was this time last year. I came to London.
Yeah.
For the first network event. I didn't know anyone. I left from Yorkshire on a train. So I sat and I listened to your talk, and it just, light bulb moment, I just had to get home and just start doing everything. So after I left last Christmas, when I didn't see you here, I thought, I've got to get a property really quickly. I was really quite frantic. And over Christmas, I saw this house here, and we viewed it on the 3rd of January. I thought, oh, I want to buy this. It was, I loved it because it was empty, no kitchen, full of rising down, no one had lived in it for 3 years. So I thought, oh, yeah, I'm going to get this. So I put an offer in and had it rejected, so I put another offer in. I got that for £85,000. Stamp and legal source took me to 89. I wanted a really quick completion because I wanted to get straight on with it.
Get on with it.
Smith Benedict, went to them. I said, I need this really quick because I'm highly impatient and I want to get on with this.
Does Beth strike any of you as being highly impatient? Just Let's check in with the audience.
Yeah, anyway, they were fantastic, and in under 3 weeks I had the keys to the house. 3 weeks?
3 weeks?
Under 3 weeks.
Give her another round of applause. Give us the numbers. You bought it for 89 with the stamp.
Yes, so my total spend on that property was 102,000 with renovation.
102.
It revalued at between 130 and 135, and the renovation took me 8 weeks.
That's got to be 2 rounds of applause, but we'll do it in one. So, yeah. I know there's loads more.
I took the money out, I did a BRR, so I refinanced it. Got all my money out, there's about 9.5k left in the deal. And I now rent it out, and my rent evaluation was £100 more than the house next door. Same
Because it's nice.
Because it's nice.
Can we get a huge round of applause for Beth? Thank you very much.